Let's learn about some useful Excel shortcuts in the flash fill. Select any cell on the sheet and press Shift plus spacebar. The entire row will be selected. Then press Shift plus Control plus keys. A new row will be inserted above the selected row. Press Control plus Z to go back. Once again, select a cell and press Control plus spacebar. The entire column will be selected. Now press Control plus Shift plus keys. A new column will be inserted on the left side of the selected column. In the first cell, write the first name only and press Enter. Now press Control plus E and see the magic. The whole column will be filled with the first names. Press Control plus Z to undo. Write the second name in the first cell and press Enter. Press Control plus E. The entire column will be filled with the second names. Once again, press Control plus Z to go back. Now write last name and press Enter. Press Control plus E. The entire column will be filled with the last names. This is called the flash fill.